Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and as you can tell from the title and from this box, we have the Hello Kitty Nike Presto. Super excited for these. As you can see, Nike Air Presto Quick Strike size 12. Box is awesome. I really do like it. It kind of reminds me of that Joshua Vide stuff they were doing for a minute, where you paint the outlines to make it look like a cartoon. Thought that was really cool that they did that. As you can see, you get the bows and the Nike swooshes all over. You get your Hello Kitty branding. Speaking of Hello Kitty, we have Miss Kitty right here. But yeah, so let's take a look. We'll open this up. You get the nice tissue paper here with Hello Kitty and the Nike swoosh. Go ahead and flip that open as well. And this is what we got. Yeah, both shoes are exactly the same, so I'm only going to be holding on to this one here. But if you guys know about the Hello Kitty Presto history, there was a few pairs that released a long time ago in very limited quantities. They were going for a lot of money, and Round 2 Hollywood was always posting when they would get a pair, and they'd be going crazy with them. But always thought they were kind of cool. They're pretty dope. I know my family, when they saw these, they were like, what are you doing buying Hello Kitty shoes? But I just really bought them because I like the history between the two companies. You know, we had the Hello Kitty Presto that was from so long ago, and now we have a new one that's very accessible. I think they're actually still in stock on the sneakers app. I ended up getting these from Concepts because they did release them a little bit earlier. It was kind of a weird release. Boutiques were able to release them a little bit earlier than Nike did, so not sure why that happened, but I was able to pick them up on Concepts. But yeah, you get the Hello Kitty face all over the shoe. You get your colored dots right here, which are kind of messy. The paint does come out of it a little bit. You get your Hello Kitty heel tab right here, which looks dope. On the inside, it's all the same. But on the inside here, you do get a velvet liner, which is really nice. I'm not sure how good you can see the insole, but it is a Nike swoosh with the bow with the rainbow. And just all the details on here were really good. So yeah, overall, really happy I was able to pick these up because of the history between the two brands, and also because I thought it was a really good looking sneaker. Let me know down in the comments what you think on these. Like I said, I picked them up just because of the history between the two. I know a lot of people didn't pick them up because they just aren't into Hello Kitty. Hey, but that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.